Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which I will show you a good example of good soldering and bad soldering. This board has a good soldering and bad soldering. So if your soldering is done correctly, you should see a mountain shape pin head. So if we took this, you can see all of these are mountain shaped and all of these are mountain shaped. So these are soldered correctly and heat was applied correctly, solder was applied correctly as we mentioned in the lesson, and the soldering is done perfectly. Now let's move to another point where soldering wasn't done perfectly. Now if we move to this, as you can see, let me focus on this pin, the one that I have my finger on, this one was done in a wrong way. As you can see, it doesn't have a mountain top shape, it has like a valley shape, so it wasn't done correctly, heat wasn't applied correctly, and this is a very bad shaping example or soldering example. Again, if you saw a mountain top like this one, this means that this was done correctly. You can pick the one that wasn't done correctly with your own eyes. As you can see, these four weren't done correctly. This one, and this one. So these, again, this one was done correctly, this one was done correctly, and as I mentioned earlier, this one wasn't done correctly. While if you came here, you can see that these are done correctly. That's it. This is an example of good soldering and bad soldering. If you don't know how to do good soldering, you should go back to the practical video where I explained how to do it. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you have any question, please ask in the Q&A board. This is Educational Engineering Team.